In the 1800s, Berkeley was one of the most well-known philosophers. Bishop George Berkeley was an Irish philosopher and a proponent of empiricism, the idea that knowledge is gained through life experience. Berkeley suggested that our beliefs about the external world depend on our perception of it. What this means is that we don't necessarily have to see an object ourselves to believe that it exists. It is possible that we can make judgments and learn to understand a particular object, situation, event through others' experience, not necessarily through direct perception of those events. David Hume was a Scottish philosopher. He was also an empiricist. He suggested that it isn't even possible to come up with a theory of reality or to truly understand reality. He also had this idea that the mind does not create thoughts, ideas on its own, that these ideas only come from perception. Hume proposed 3 different laws to explain how ideas are formed. Resemblance is the idea that when you see something, when you see, say, a picture of the Grand Canyon, the visual representation of the Grand Canyon is what gives you the idea about the Grand Canyon. It's what prompts your recall of that visit, that object in the world. Temporal contiguity has to do with how events are spaced in time. Many of you, when you see lightning, you anticipate the thunder coming after, partly because through experience, you know that's what happens. Lightning comes first, then the thunder comes second. Hume proposed that when individuals first see that lightning, the visual of the lightning causes a response. They don't actually have to experience the thunder yet. The lightning is enough to cause the reaction.